Okay, so we are given a map where it is said that if a plus b plus c is equal to 2 and ab plus bc plus ac is equal to 1, then what is the value of a plus b whole square plus b plus c whole square plus c plus a whole square? So for doing this, what we have to do is first we need to figure out that which formula we can use for this map. Okay, so we have a plus b plus c. So here we have a plus b plus c, ab plus bc plus ac. We also have it there. So basically we get an idea that we can use this formula for solving this map. So let's see how can we do this. So it's basically we have to find the value. So we'll deal with this. Okay. B square plus b plus c whole square plus a plus b whole square. Okay, so doing all this, let's see what we get. Cos a square plus b square plus 2bc plus c square plus a square plus 2ac plus c square. Okay, so we are getting this by doing the simplification of this. Okay, now let's rearrange this thing a bit. It looks very messy and very lengthy, so let's rearrange this thing a bit. A square plus b square plus c square. So let's see something. We can see something there. We have two a squares, two b squares, and 2c square. So we can say that this whole thing would be of 2 times. Okay, we have 2a, 2b and 2c. Okay, next we have 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. So let's write this: 2 into ab plus bc plus ac. It's the same thing: 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. Same thing. We're just writing in a organized way so that it's become easy for us to do the maths. Okay. So now what we're left with is, okay, after this we don't have anything left. So let's see how we can solve this. We don't know the value of a square plus b square plus c square. But we know the value of ab plus bc plus ac. So how to figure out the value of a square plus b square plus c square? Sorry. So we can use this one to figure out this one. Okay. So in this case, b plus c whole square. We're using basically this formula over here. Okay. The second bracket. So this part represents only this part. Okay. And we have another part left, which is 2ab plus bc plus ac. Okay. So now we know the value of a plus b plus c. We know the value of ab plus bc plus ac. So we can easily figure out what would be the answer. So here will be 2 square is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. So that's our answer, 6. So basically, when you get problem like this, at first we try to use the formula, the best formula we can use. We need to understand this by watching, by see the question, that which formula we can use. So by using the formula, we need to then organize it a bit, because it becomes very lengthy, right? It's difficult to solve it like this. So we organize this thing a bit, as we have done it over here. If we organize it a bit, we can see that it falls under this sort of expression is already given, the value of the expression. So when we are converting it into this sort of expression, we can easily put the value, and when you put the value, you get the result. So that's it. And mostly, if there are any changes needs to be made for making our corollary a bit more efficient, then we can make the changes according to our necessity. So this is basically how we find the values of this type of problems.